Welcome to part 3 of the GU-TFT tutorial series. In this video, we will be going back to the TFT tool and sending images to the module and storing them onto the onboard FROM2. Now, I already have my module connected to my PC using the same steps that are present in part 1 and part 2 of this tutorial series. So if you have not watched these yet, be sure to watch at least the first half or so you can connect your module up to your PC and configure it to work with the TFT tool. Now once you're connected, open up your TFT tool. Select the port that your module is on. Mine's on COM2. We want to open some image files that we want to be sent to FROM2 and stored. Now I'm in my pictures library in the sample pictures folder. I'm going to select the lighthouse, penguins, and tulips photos and hit open. And they've shown up on my loaded images section. I'm going to click on image 1 and hit TFT module preview to make sure that I'm connected to the right TFT module. So I'll hit preview. It has shown up on my module, so we know we're using the right device. Now we want to go down to this red boxed area where it says start address. Write to FROM2, bulk write, display, and start over. This is what we'll use to write these images to FROM. So with the lighthouse image selected, we'll hit write to FROM2. You'll see a little progress bar. Once that's done, you'll see that it's appeared in the FROM2 content section. And down here it shows all the different information for the image that was stored. Start address at 0, its size relative to X, size relative to Y, and the format of the image. I'll do the same thing with the penguin photo. Write to FROM2. We can note that the start address is C0000. Write to FROM2. You can see that the start address is C0000. Do the same thing with the tulips photo. Write to FROM2. It has been stored. All 3 photos have been stored in FROM2. And we stored them using the sequential write mode. Now there are 2 write modes with the TFT tool. There's sequential write mode and bulk write mode. The basis of how these 2 differ is FROM2 is based on a block storage mode. There's blocks within FROM2 of a certain size. And sequential write, since we wrote these 3 images with sequential write, they're all going to be in their own respective blocks in memory. Bulk write ignores the blocks and just writes. It would have written all 3 of these images smushed together, kind of like overlapping in different blocks. One thing to be careful when using bulk write is if you have 2 images that share the same block and you want to delete one image, you have to delete that entire block of memory. So both of those images will get erased. Now, to show that these are definitely in FROM2, I'm going to go back to my loaded images. I'm going to remove all the images in the loaded images section, so only the FROM2 content is present. I'll click on the penguins image and hit display. And you'll see that the penguin image is now on the display. Do the same thing with the tulips image. Now they're on the display. So we know that these are now stored on our module. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out part 4 and be sure to subscribe.